Hello everyone and welcome back to channel. I am Ram and in today's videos we are going to explore the reinforcement learnings, what it is and how it's work and why it is such exciting part of the artificial intelligence. What is a reinforcement learning? Let's break it down step by step. Reinforcement learnings, this refer to giving reward or penalty to the systems based on its action. Learning, just like in other type of machine learning, the system learn from experience. So reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent, the systems learn how to make the decisions by performing actions and environments and receiving feedback in the form of the rewards or penalty. It's like teaching a dog new tricks by rewarding it when it does something right and discovering it when it is make a mistake. How does reinforcement learning work? Here is how it's work in simple terms. First, the agent. This is systems that make decisions. It can be a robot or computer program or any other AI system. Second, the environment. This is the world in which the agent operates. It could be a game, a robot navigating a room, or even an autonomous car driving through the traffic. Third, action. The agent make decision, take action within the environment. For example, in a video game, the actions might be moving a character forwarding or jumping. Fourth, reward and penalties. After the agent taken actions, it get feedback. If the action was good, it lead to something positive. The agent get a reward like a point. If the action was bad, it lead to something negative. The agent get a penalty like losing a point or facing a challenge. Learning from experience over time, the agent learn which actions lead to be the highest reward. The more feedback the agent gets, the better it's become a making decision. For example of reinforcement learning, video game. Imagine training an AI to play a video game. The agent starts with no knowledge of the game but learn from trial and errors, getting a point for winning level and losing a point for failing. Over time, it gets better and better at game. Self-driving car. A self-driving car uses reinforcement learning to navigate the road. The car makes decisions like when to stop, go or turns and receive feedback based on its actions. Example, no collisions is a rewards. Hitting a pedestrian is a penalty. It keeps improving as it learns from more driving experience. Robot. If you have even seen a robot like Boston's Dynamic, robot learning to walk or perform tasks, they use reinforcement learning. Personalized recommendation. When websites like Netflix or YouTube recommend content, they are using something similar to reinforcement learning. The system gets feedback on which show you watch it or like, and over time, it gets better at recommending the show based on your preference. Why do we learn reinforcement learning? It's powerful. Reinforcement learning is amazing for decisions making problem, especially when the system need to learn from experience and improve over times without being explicitly told what to do. It's used in real-world problems. RL is used in many cutting-edge technology, from autonomous cars to personalized recommendation system. Learning RL opens exciting possibility in tech and AI. Help with complex challenge. RL is great for solving complex long-term problems where actions need to be planned ahead, like planning a route for a robot or teaching a computer to play chess. It's like training a smart agent. Think of RL as teaching a robot or AI agent how to solve problems on its own by rewarding it when it does something right. It's a fun way to create self-learning systems that get better with experience. Career opportunity. Reinforcement learning is highly sought after skill in fields like robotics, game development and artificial intelligence. Understanding RL give you the competitive edge in the building an intelligent decision-making system. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and leave any question or feedback in the comment below. Thanks for watching.